Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Data Universe. Here you will find practical SQL tutorials, tips on mastering SQL for data analytics. Let's start and grow together. How to fetch 50% records from table. To fetch 50% records from table, here we will use row number window function, which assign a sequential number 1, 2, 3 to each row of a result set starting with 1 for the first row of each partition. So let's see the practical. Here I am creating employee table and I am inserting total 8 records in the table. Now the table is ready. We have total 8 records. Now here we are using row number window function to get the output. Now if we execute only this statement, so here it is assigning number to every row. So it is starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if we execute only this statement where select count of asterisk divided by 2 from the employee, it will return 4 because count of asterisk is total number of records, which is 8 divided by 2, so it is 4. So here we are going to fetch records which are less than or equal to 4. So if we execute the complete statement, it will show only 4 records 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this way, by assigning sequential number to each row using a row number window function, we can get 50% records from table. Your likes in this video motivates me to create more valuable content. Please subscribe the channel, like the video and press bell notification to learn more SQL concepts.